Hi, this is William from Virtual Communications, and today I'll just be going through a brief overview of how to do translations in your Architects Canada website. First things first, we have to log in, so I'm going to do that right here. Great. So now there's two areas we get to focus on language maintenance. There's one for Drupal and there's one for Civicrm. Right now we'll be talking about Drupal. Probably best if we go through an example. So what we're going to do is we're going to just create a content type, create content page. Now we're just going to call this sample English and just go sample text. And all you have to do here is basically specify the language you'd like this page to be in. It's probably for simplicity best just to go English for first. And we'll just create a little sample menu. And everything's pretty good then. We'll go save. So now you see what little menu item got added. We have our English title and our English text. And then, should we want to add a French page, all we have to do is go to translate. And then you'll notice that there's nothing under the French section. It's not translated. So we're going to add a translation. And then it already automatically grabs the title and the text. So we're just going to change the title to French. And the long already went to Francais. So perfect. We just go save. And now we have the duality between English to French. Very simple. Should you already have a page that is already created in English that you want to translate, all we have to do again is we're just going to jump back to English, where by the way right here is your language switcher in Drupal. So great, back to English. We're going to go to application. An application has already been specified as English, but it has not been specified as French. So all you have to do is go to translate again and add your translation. So it could not be simpler. One other thing to talk about while we're in the Drupal section is maybe the translating interface. Should you want to do custom text for specific areas, all you have to go is go to Site Building, Translate Interface, Overview, and then we can actually see here that thus far we have 6,294 out of 7,383 potential strings replaced. If you want to actually go through and modify them, you can do this in this area here, and it'll just render itself properly. Now we'll go through the Civicrm section because it actually is a bit different. So we'll click on Civicrm. Great. And you'll notice that the language switcher we had in Drupal is gone. This is because in Civicrm it's different. Civicrm has its own language switcher, so should you want to change the interface, you'll have to do that here. So we'll go to French. And now you'll notice that all the text has been switched to French, and it's been all translated on the fly, which is great. If you actually want to see where in Civi this is the localization is being controlled, all you have to do is go to Administer at the top, Configure, Global Settings, Localization. And then you'll see the default language is English, and we have two available languages, which we could add more, but we don't need to do that. And then inherit CMS language. This basically means if checked, Civicrm will follow CMS language changes from Drupal. And this is just your pretty basic overview of translations between Drupal and Civicrm, and I hope this provides some assistance. Thank you.